everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today is Sunday. We're going out with the kids. We ऐसे बोल रहे जैसे मेरे साथ कोई है. Me, I'm going out with the kids क्योंकि बहुत दिन हो गया उनके साथ बाहर नहीं गई. Every Sunday शॉप लगता है, every Saturday शॉप लगता है. तो मैंने सोचा थर्सडे भी लगने लग गया है. हमारे वैसे थर्सडे ऑफ होता है, बट ये जो 3 महीने हैं थर्सडे ओपन होता है. But I am not getting time with them. इसलिए today taking them to Love Road here. Tan tan, handsome boys. As you can see, Yeshila is missing क्योंकि Yeshila बड़ा हो चुका है. अपने दोस्तों के साथ घूमने गया. तो ऐसा होता है, पता है बच्चे जब बड़े हो जाते हैं ना, they don't need you. बुरा लगता है लेकिन अच्छा भी लगता है. Now like they've grown up करके. चलो फिर I'll see you guys in a while. We've reached Mayfair. Now again यहाँ से हम ऐसे नीचे जाएंगे तो we will reach zoo, right? And then we'll reach NP. NP के बाद ropeway. And then we will go ahead. Abhi I'm scared of ropeway, no.
Please, Mom.
No.
What the hell?
Can't take a risk.
Send me. He said, send me.
ropeway पहले ना गिर चुका है तो ऊपर से, पता है तुम लोगों को?
What the hell? But I want to go.
पता धूप निकला है. Look at all this greenery.
I think we have to go Jamuni Bato, eh?
Aci doda ngelap go. सिस्नुले टोक्यो अब कुन चाहिँ लाउनु पर्ने हो? पत्ता एउटा हुनु त हुन्छ खै दिदा. बे सिंगन फाइदा ख.
I used to do like that only.
फाइदा लाग्पा.
Chido. Chada.
Ta छानङ मस. दा नमसा.
John Nagidu.
अच्छा डिस्ट्रिक्ट नगिरन थागिस. इसको ना नेटल क्या बोलते इसको? सिस्नु इसने काट लिया. इसलिए मैं बोला बी केयरफुल. हाय हफिशिता. हेलो जसले. हाय कहाँ जा रे? कहाँ जाए? Zula. आमा के वाला के वाला. They are going to zoo. Lala. Ta bye Chidani. Bye. Lasso. Okay, we met beautiful babies. संपुटा में पढ़ते हैं, है ना? किसी के दोस्त है? Class 1. My foot. Okay, हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं zoo. अब हम लोग जू पहुंचते गए, बट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू जू. हमारा रास्ता और भी बहुत लंबा है. वी हैव टू गो नीचे तक एनपी पहुंचना है. जू तो बहुत बार आ चुके हैं हम लोग ना. क्या देखते हैं बार जू. ये है पद्मजा नायडू हिमालयन जू. वेरी फेमस जू इन इंडिया. आई थिंक इट वॉज लाइक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट अवार्ड मिला था. मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी बोला था शायद. बट एनीवेज हमारा रास्ता और भी है, बहुत दूर है. चलो चलते हैं. इस तरह से बहुत ही दुकानें हैं, बहुत ही दुकानें. ये झालमुरी स्टैंड. इस जू के बाहर आपको सब चीज़ मिलेगा. बढ़िया शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं, झालमुरी खा सकते हैं. यहाँ रेस्टोरेंट भी है. यस. What?
We haven't went for zoo so long time.
We didn't. We have. Last time we went.
It was like 2 months ago.
That time clearly wrong at him though. He was also there, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
The white tiger, right, Mama?
Yeah, we saw the white tiger. We saw the apalka. Apa khare?
That what? Lesbian tiger.
No.
Like something like llama.
Llama type, no? Alpaca. We saw the alpaca.
Alpaca is somewhere here.
Yes, we saw alpaca. सब देखा था हमने last time. So इसलिए we're just going for a long walk today. Main motive is to spend some time together. वही करने जा रहे हैं. way, no? कितना अच्छा रास्ता है. Look at this kid.
He gave you the chata.
You guys cannot take responsibility. You guys don't want to take responsibility. हाँ? Responsibility सब मेरा है क्या? हाँ? तुम लोगों का नहीं है? तो बड़ा बच्चा लोग एक छाता नहीं पकड़ सकते हैं.
नहीं है.
Look at खींचो, शो खींचो. ये क्यों जा रहा है पता है? क्योंकि उसको गुस्सा आ गया. क्योंकि उसको छाता पकड़ना पड़ रहा है. Disgusting. This is the North Point School, NP. They all are, I don't know. Borders are playing some kind of game, it seems. Some kind of tournament. Yeah, this is NP. NP. And यहाँ से आगे है आपका रोपवे, है ना? गाड़ियाँ बहुत है ना, ये सब रोपवे के लिए है. And look at the grass field. It's been so long I didn't come to NP. I came only once to collect the. मैं एक बार गई इनका स्कूल में वो लेने, कॉपी लेने. After that I have not gone to the school only. And life has been so busy यार. क्या करेगा? क्या करेगा? Look at this. रास्ता तो देखो पहले तो. Everything chap.
It looks like
rained.
sand. But the noise is like dirty.
Yeah. Dirt. Chap है रास्ता सब. Hey, no, don't do chak Kizubima. Walk slowly. So ये है हमारा दार्जिलिंग का फेमस रोपवे. बट हम यहाँ नहीं जाएंगे. हम यहाँ से जाएंगे लव रोड. हेलो बहिनी. बिजी हुनुहुँदैछ बिचारा. होइन बिजीले हामी जान्छु. नगर्नुहोस् यस्तो. बादमा आउँछु नि ल. नगर्नुहोस् न सेयर गर्छ. अय्या पेम्पा भाइ चाहिँ फेरि. लु हामी यहाँ पेम्पा भाइ भेटेर नि बहिनीहरूलाई लाइन त मलाई अहिले खाँचो. हामी लभ रोड घुम्नु गएको. आज छुट्टी भनेर. ल थ्याङ्क यू ल बिचामा. ल थ्याङ्क यू ल. जान्छु अब. ल बाई. ओहो ए पेम्पा भाइ दिखाए मैंने. Okay, let's go. ये है हमारा रोपवे. एंड ये ना इससे जाता है. मेरे को तो डर तो लगता है. ये देखिए यहाँ से लेके ये नीचे टी गार्डन तक जाता है. मुझे तो बहुत डर लगता है रोपवे. सब आए आप Maggie. Have guys. Hello sir. What's the cute eh? Have Maggie now. Yeah, machisa ya china ko jam chigis. All right, so the love road starts. Jungle area है पूरा. चलो love road. अभी we saw like 4 cyclists coming from love road, है ना, towards वो क्या बोलते हैं रोपवे. People do what not for adventure. Huh? This is Love Road. Welcome to Love Road, guys. First time.
This is my second time.
Do. Let's go. Let's move. Not again, first time.
Yes.
Yes.
My non first time. When we reached, it looked so nice, right?
It's all this like jungle area.
Imagine like a king cobra.
Yes?
Okay. We are giving to the.
Give it in your pocket. Give it to
No,
somebody.
we are giving to that girl. Give it in a pocket.
Okay. Let's go. Jungle, dekhe na. Look at all this greenery. Okay. Some kind of puja is done, na? कुछ पूजा किया हुआ है इधर.
It was moving like that.
ए कीचड़ धुता वाला.
What did you do?
मैला.
Maila? Maila ko rang hindu ra this sajana. Maybe so. Mama, this no, Maila rang hindu. Maila rang hindu. Maila rang hindu. Maila rang hindu. Seven baby, do you want that?
How are you feeling?
Very nice.
Enjoying yourselves?
Yes. I just saw a bear claw.
Hi, okay. Nice walk. चारों तरफ वो है. Full on jungle है. क्यों आ रही हो?
Now, Tim, my legs are tired. Yeah.
हाँ, little bit.
You guys are still tired.
Let's go.
I'm tired. Where's the up hill?
It will come. Let's go.
It's very tiring.
Not that tiring, but little bit.
Hi. You look like a jungle man when you come to no. I don't know.
Okay, we finished Love Road. How did it feel?
Dummy.
Huh? Okay.
Thirsty.
Are you guys tired?
No, Mama.
No.
From your guys
Yeah.
can come.
Yeah, I think so. But look at the road, okay? It's very dirty. Acha. Look at this. Maila. Okay, after यहाँ आप गया ना finish Love Road. ऐसा रोड शुरू हो जाता है because the settlement begins again. So यहाँ से हम सीधा जाएंगे तो we will reach चौरास्ता. भैया चलिए. Okay guys, you guys take what you want. 한주 먼저 말아 단다 키워 쏴이 깨기다니 하고 그리고 캔슬링 추고 주스고 그리고 틱틱 타겨 주스 यार ऐसे दंदा हैरान.
Mama, this is Jojo.
So we have come to oh this is momola. So we have come to Tungsung and हम लोग यहाँ का famous chicken wings खाने आए हैं. And it's right opposite to this Echo Hotel and Spa ना यहाँ बढ़िया मिलता है लेकिन the chicken is very spicy. I don't know they'll be able to eat or not. They want to eat. चलो try करके देखते हैं. That is momola. Momola है कि लूर I don't know momola. Okay, let's go. Sit up. अभी इन keep here on the side में रखा मजाले कस्तो दामी बनेछ. It's a lovely cozy place and the view is very good. Oh, look at this. Huh? Hey, enjoy गर्दैछ यिनीहरु. Mama, look at the view. It's a lovely, lovely place. No, I'll sit here. This is the famous chicken wings. बहुत बढ़िया होता है. But it's very spicy. Let's see. I've told you guys to give less
You are
spicy.
eating the spicy one. Very spicy. It's spicy.
A bit. Go.
Try.
Ting mai de. Nila dikha chau yung ati. Don't worry. Touch it.
You're spicy though. It's spicy to like.
Tea and sauce.
What is now? I'm trying to spicy.
Very fresh.
It's raining. See the photo.
Oi, kinso kante da la da. Shimbu da. Okay, we have come to Momola Zakir Hussain Road. Okay, let me show you a little bit of inside of Momola because itna saaf kitchen मैंने नहीं देखा है आज तक. It's very clean. Oh my God. Spick and span बोलते हैं ना जिसको वैसा है. See, everything is so clean. Dammy. Look at all this. Don't come, you all. Pakishulu you. Yeah. So hats off, huh, to both of you for maintaining it so clean.
There's no.
Oh, so clean it is.
Look at this. What?
Yeah. They keep this. So yep. So come, Kizubema. You always take advantage, huh? Very soon. Come out.
If you want to on it.
Huh? Okay, so this is Momola. Momola is quite famous because इतने लोगों ने रील बना चुके हैं ना. So we have come first time. Yes, this is Momola, and we are trying everything possible today. Let's see how do they have combo meals also. Like family combo is there. It's nice. The first order has come and
How they
it's
did a bench.
chol momo. Wow, looks nice.
Let's give them a tip.
Salivating if it's good. It is good. I think I will check tobu do some minda.
No, the dude.
Yeah, nga thage. Oh, too much. Eh, yung kyo sang mana chimbajish. Nga thage is only have chicken fry. He doesn't want to have momo. Let me taste.
I don't like momo. Ready? I wanted to try this soup. Oh, it's good.
Yeah, it's good. Careful, huh? It'll be hot. Hundred da. Shimbo. Kizubema, how's it?
Chicken pad thai.
Kote momo. Nice.
I want to try Kothayo.
Why don't you try this kote momo? Try momo.
Try now. Try with the soup. Oh yeah, I will try with the soup.
Achar hai, 3 type ke achar.
It takes to give us right of you.
See, there's this peanut, I think, normal achar. There's this Chinese achar, I think. What do you call it? Juice ni dala dang George. Sinja Sprite, ever you started that day. Cái sự đau sao? Ngồi đây một mình xài mình ngồi đây baby baby. Have fries.
One food for you.
One full for ngồi thage, okay? And we will share.
I like this Kothayo.
Kote.
Yeah, Kothayo. Shabla, Ishala, Injekhala. Leora.
What will take for you? Share kote. Yeah, you can. Oh, it
That
looks
time
nice.
we ate there also. Now we are eating.
Yeah,
here.
ngata will have. Okay, first. Yeah, ngata ge. Juice pasha the baby.
Mama, but this also
Sa
chicken.
baby sa. Huh?
It's also chicken though.
Yeah, it's okay. He eats. Okay.
Yeah, you also ate chicken.
Ngata ge, how is the chicken? Tell me.
Oh, yes, we'll try.
Ishibuda.
See this one.
Finished. Finished. Let's have the fries, yeah.
I want to go.
Okay, so the next in line is this keema noodle, which I really wanted to try. Shibila,
I'll sit here. Wait, no. I'll show the noodles only.
Oh, wow, I love this kind of noodle, thick noodles. Looks yum, huh?
It looks like jajangmyeon. Looks
I
better.
like it.
First, I will try. It's literally
Look at
steaming.
this, baby. Did you show the noodles?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Now the time has come.
Let's try.
Buddha.
Good. Cut.
Noodle overcooked just this.
I'll close the.
Okay, cheers. So this is our last stop today. आज हम इसी कैवेंटस मशहूर कैवेंटस के आइसक्रीम के साथ I think I'll end this vlog. So guys, how was the
And
day
now
today?
is also going.
So how was the day today?
Very nice.
You guys enjoyed?
Yes. Very good.
Okay, see you guys very soon in my next vlog. तब तक के लिए bye bye and let me enjoy this ice cream.